Hello everyone, welcome to channel Optimizer. And once again, welcome to the Sketcher module playlist. Okay. So in last video, we have seen how to draw simple sketches. So right now we are going to see a little bit more complicated part. So if you just observe this sketch here. One sketch, one circle is there, second circle. Then there is one elongated hole, and one arc is there of R50, which is tangent to this circle and this horizontal line. After that, one horizontal line is there, inclined line, which are tangent to this R15 circle. Okay. So this sketch we are going to draw in this video. So I'm going to consider this point as a origin. This point as origin. So 520 and R30 are two circles we need to draw first. And after that, two elongated holes I'm going to draw like this. Okay. So let us start. So sketch, I'm going to select a normal plane. Okay. Again, go to select two circles. Then go here and you just select the elongated hole like this and this. Okay, two elongated holes we have drawn. Now just give dimensions. So outer one is R30 and inner circle is of 520. That is radius is 10. Just take 520 and R30. Yes. Now this center distance is 40 and inner elongated hole has 12 mm distance, and this is R15. Okay. So let us start. Just zoom it. This is 6, correct? This distance is 40, and now this one is 15. Okay. Now if you just see the distance is given, so this is 85, and in vertical direction it is around 40. So from this it is around 40, and from this point to this one it is, we need to select a specific point. So we have selected this point, it is 85, I think. Let us cross check. Yes, it is 85. Okay. So if you just see, this is a totally fully constrained model. Now, one more R15 circle is there like this, and one line is going to be joined from this point to this point like this, which is tangent to this one. Okay. Now, one more circle is there, which is line is there, which is tangent to this circle and also tangent to bottom circle also, to this circle also, tangency, correct? Now you can give the dimensions. So from this point, this is around 50. So just enter 50 here. Okay. And now next part. So there is, just see, this is 50 given. This total 40 already we have considered this reference. Now this only one arc is remaining, that is R50. So just draw that arc. Go here, and now we can give dimensions as R50. This is which is tangent to this and also tangent to this one. Okay. Now we can trim all unnecessary parts, so we don't require this part. This part also we don't require. All the unnecessary part you can trim like this, and this is under constraint. So you need to mention this line as a horizontal to convert that into fully constrained. So this is totally green color, that means fully constrained. Now, as it is a sketch we are drawn with the help of Sketcher model. Okay. So I hope you like this video. If you like this, kindly like, subscribe, comment on our video, and in next video we'll see more complicated sketches. So thank you very much.